Okay, so for the longest time I really wanted to make some merch. Like this just has to be some kind of way that I can sustain my channel, and the only thing that I can think about is like clothing. And with merch you're basically a branding, and at the same time if it's not too expensive, like everybody needs clothes, and if you make good merch it's win-win to both sides. So I feel that conventional merch selling stores are pretty expensive, and I thought that I could make my own with heat pressing that I found like just lately. So I think that we should really investigate like how expensive is it actually to make your own merch with only like some things that you can buy for yourself, and you can basically do it all by yourself without using a like third-party company. Yeah, so in the end I should have something like this done, but hopefully it'll be a bit better than this. So. Okay, so you might be definitely wondering why I'm not just using one of those places, but you can use the dropship, which is basically that you create your own design and some of the company sells them for you. And the reason why I'm not doing that is because it's just way too complicated to use, and because like this channel is so small, I feel really awkward even like thinking about trying to sell my merch. What I would like to do is to create my own t-shirt with my merch. As you can see, like there's nothing there, and I would really like to change that. Okay, so now we have a huge problem, and the only way to fix this is probably to get some new gadgets. Like in Finland they cost 100 euros, and from Amazon they are like 15, 16 euros. There's this thing which is free delivery only when the order is like 40 euros. So the shipping is usually like, if you can't get the free shipping, it's usually pretty expensive. So luckily I found like this printer from Tori, and if it would have like cyan, then I would be able to like take that out and transfer it to the other printer, because like it seems like these two printers have the exact same encourages. So okay, so the seller just responded, and basically the printer is already like reserved for somebody else, so we are probably not going to get it. And she even said it's like reserved for a month because she's not around for a month. So yeah, that's like, and there's no other printers basically in Tori I could try. Yeah, I have no idea how to continue from this, but like we probably need to keep an eye out for like more free printers. So yeah, you guessed it, I didn't find any free printers, so we need to change the tactic and quick. I just sold a power supply that I got for free, so yeah, I got 14 euros for it, so definitely use that money to get that project done, so it's really nice. Okay, so I made a total of 22 euros just by getting free stuff and selling it later. But unfortunately this is a really slow way to make money, so I still need like 18 euros because minimum payment is 40 euros in Amazon. So I still have to somehow like magically make 18 euros appear from somewhere. So we definitely need to have some kind of plan to sell something like that we have made ourselves. Yes, like I'm doing it, but like we have to sell something that we have made like ourselves, because like I think that it would sell much better. But like tends the problem that like, because I have no clue what people want, so like yeah, that is kind of hard. So I think that this project should be like in the multiple parts. Like this was like the introduction, and we got the beginning, like we made 22 euros, so it's halfway like our goal. So if you have any suggestions or ideas on what I should sell, I have a 3D printer and I can do electronics, so it could be something like that, or maybe art. I have no idea. Like if you have any ideas or suggestions, like let me know in the comments. I hope that I'll see you in the next video. Bye.